Kasuka jela kerap krek ban kentiu ya kanti yat jat ni trekking nak tan raj nong blai ke bodon bun tam ki jiking jeri hadu khalai tri sia ka raj wa ken ke badai jong ka sinong ka put ka tem tenrai ki bahak apun usla civil subdivision tidang ba ka jela korat ki sangma menta ka sngi khan yo tarik ujumbang a japsan or hira sak sinong wa langkhat ka bahap ka raj nong blai ka bawalai chingo ru ya ka lau kentang ka bahap hira sia ten Kasuka ka pengkrek ban bu ya ka living root bridges experience center hawak langkat bat ya ka residential music retreat a sinong waken ha ka bakin wan kai kin mat ya ka jingbang ka jingyat kijat kinyong jingman ka than ka mariang bar ki kanatang bat kumju ban yo ya ha ka jingkeng jeri ban lej pen pat ya ka skor ta ka sutun ra ja sinong waken tang ba along bagi bre wan kai kin yo mat ru ya ka korsyo ka jinyong jingman jong ka te ka than Hakajuk ke pol oma kani kan wan ra ru ye ka jingkala hakayok kot jong pai ba ketika thain na ka kam chungok kai perthei.
So we are here in Wallankat right now, where, as you can see, the Living Root Bridge Experience Center is going to come up. And the reason why we have selected this area is because the Living Root Bridge density is very, very high, one of the highest in the entire region and the state. And through this particular Living Root Bridge Experience Center, the tourists who come in will be able to understand the entire culture, the history, and the techniques and the different locations where these living root bridges are. And it will completely make the overall experience for the tourist even more special. So therefore, this is one of the very important projects for us. It's not just this. Apart from this, as you know, that there's an entire trek out here, which will be another experience for the tourist. Along this trek, there is the Wanken village also, which is known for its traditional music, where we will be putting up the music center, where people can go and train as well as experience the traditional and the local music out there. And therefore, this entire area is being built up as a complete circuit where people can come and experience the living root bridges, have the necessary facilities, and also experience it through these museums and these experience centers where they'll be able to get complete knowledge about the history, culture, and the entire overall living root bridges of the state of Meghalaya. Chalo.
Yeah, I know. It's very simple. Nonglai deh, penulislah konsumsi. Hah? Berapa ini penulislah? Ketuk akut penulislah. Nonglai.
So we are here now in this beautiful sacred groves in the Right Nongblai area, and it is more dense than any other sacred grove that I have seen. It's a great experience, and really the way the local people here have preserved the entire forest area, maintained it, is something that is really admirable. And we have come here to see how we can promote this entire area. As I was mentioning earlier, that we'll be putting up the experiential center for the living root bridges, which is just right above this particular sacred grove. And this entire area will be promoted from the tourism point of view, while maintaining the overall sanctity as well as the forest cover of this area, so that the sentiments of the local people are always kept in mind, while the experience for the tourists also is something special which they will not get anywhere in the world. Should we go back? You go back.